Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another February unboxing to share with you, and it is a Roccabox. This is how it comes, this is what it looks like. If you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Roccabox is a UK only monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 shipping, and inside you'll receive between say 5 to 7 beauty treats a month. They range from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, sometimes makeup tools, and we sometimes get the odd like extra bonus treat, and they tend to be like food or drink items, so which is quite cool. I do really like that. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Alongside the monthly subscription boxes, they do have mystery boxes, and they cost £10 and then £3.95 shipping, and they release limited edition boxes now and again as well. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. They've given me a code to entitle you to have 20% off your first box, so I'll pop that down in my description as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. So inside every box you'll receive a little card like this, and it details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the price as well, so I'm able to tot it up and give you an overall value. So I'll refer to this as we go along. Just get rid of some worms. You might not be able to see much, but I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. I'll just give you some background information about this month's theme. It says, "Hi Rockababes, February is known as the month of love, and I for one plan to spend quality time on dates with my number one this month. From the comfort of our living room, of course. When it comes to date nights or days, I always indulge in a little extra pampering, and I have a very specific pre-date beauty agenda. I want touch me soft skin, I want smell me sensual scents, and I want look at me feature enhancing makeup." So that's exactly what we've given you in this month's Roccabox. But let's not forget that V-Day can also be a totally partner-free zone, spent with your favourite girl gang too, even if it's over Zoom these days, which is why we've called this box Galentine's. It's a homage to our favourite gal pals and the ones that have stuck by us every tear, tantrum and trauma. So ladies, whoever you're loving this February and whoever you're spending your time with, get stuck into your Roccabox and you can do it knowing you feel, look and smell bloody gorgeous. Love Tia, the founder. So in every box there's a hero product, and we have sneak peeks of the hero product, so I'll show you what that is first. It's by the brand Project Lip, and it's a lip colour. It's a plump and colour. It says, "Warning, this product will tingle," and I've got it in strip, I think. It doesn't show me the shades on here, but it comes in Bear, Dare, Play or Strip. Apologies if you can hear any drilling. My husband is making my old filming room into a little office. And yeah, it's quite bittersweet for me. It's like an end of an era for me. I don't mind filming in here. I love my little room, but yeah, it's not going to be my filming room anymore. So he's just drilling and doing things in there. I love this colour. I do really like this colour. Let's try this. Starting this month, I'm creating a brand new series on my channel, and I'm going to be testing out all the products inside all the top subscription boxes. I can't do every single subscription box that I show you, but the top, say 3 or 4 subscription boxes, I'll be using and showing you how to use all the products or what my thoughts are on them. So look out for a Roccabox product review very soon. I really like that. It's more of a tint look. I know I've got lipstick on already. I'll just put a bit on here. Oh my god! How the heck is it on my tongue? How the heck is it on my tongue? I can feel it. That is super tingly. It's pinching. It is pinching my lips. Do I lick everything? I don't know. It's on my tongue. My tongue feels like it's on fire. If it makes my lips go whoosh, then I'm going to ignore the tingles. I'm going to ignore it, but it's so weird. Oh, it's so weird. If it starts to die down during this video, I'll let you know. I'll have to open this up afterwards. So this is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price is £14. What you want is a plumped up pout in a playful nude shade and soft matte finish. That's where this comes in. As if that combo wasn't powerful enough, this lippy contains genius lip pumping ingredients with fire, doesn't, to get that pout looking extra full and juicy. A word of warning though, it tingles, so be careful where you put those lips. Okay, Roccabox, I know where you're going there. But I can imagine, if I wasn't wearing lipstick underneath this, I can imagine the blood would be flowing to my lips. So, yeah, you'll get to see what that looks like without any lipstick on prior in my video. So that's the first item in the box. Next item is a bonus item, and it's this drink, and I'm going to try it now. This is 60 calories per bottle, and this is a light rose lemonade, sparkling botanical drink made with pure rose extract. And yeah, it's by Fentimans. It is rosy. I don't like the smell rosy, but I don't mind tasting it. It tastes like lemonade. That is so refreshing. I'm going to save that for afterwards. That is so, so nice. So this is a bonus item. It's an extra treat. Oh my god, I can't go. This lip. Fentimans Rose Lemonade Light has been created by adopting the same botanical brewing method Fentimans used to make the original rose lemonade, and includes rose oil from the world-famous Rose Valley in Kazanlak, Bulgaria. To purchase this, it'll cost you £1. So that's our little bonus treat in there, which I had to open due to that lip product. Next we got a perfume oil, and we got 10 mils here, and this is by Farin Amber, and we got Floral Oud. So it's like a roller perfume, is it? Oh, it's got bits in it. Yeah, it's got little bits in it. I'm assuming it's flowers. It's a little roller ball there. Oh, what is that scent? Oh, that is nice. That is nice. It's very different to what I'd normally go for. What is the smell though? What is in it? I know it says floral. This is full size, and it would cost you £18. It says chic packaging comes together with natural plant-based essential oils in this clutch bag essential. The handy oil roller delivers a rich, earthy and seriously sexy aroma. Think woody cedar, decadent vanilla and hints of floral jasmine. Via nourishing plant oils. Don't leave for your date without it. Yeah, I do really like that. It is different to what I normally go for. Next, we've got a product by Super Duper or Sopa Duper, and this is Shea Butter Body Butter. This is a 50ml. This is 97% naturally derived, cruelty-free and vegan, and we got 50 mils here. I've tried this before and it's nice. It is really nice. There is one by Sopa Duper that does remind me of grass. Look at that. Put my hand in there. Oh, getting my nails in there. Yeah. Okay, I absolutely love body butters. Just blend it in, get it out of my nails. I didn't think this one through, never mind. And blend it there. Oh, it feels really nice. It does feel really nice. No, it's obviously something else from that brand that smells like grass. Yeah, it feels really gorgeous. Yeah, really, really nice. Tingles are dying down, definitely. Yeah, it started off feeling a little bit burny, as if it's sort of like my lips are on fire, but no, it is dying down a bit now, so it's more bearable. So this is a travel size, and to purchase this at this size it'll cost you £3.99. This delicious nourishing butter will quench thirsty, dry and cracked areas and quickly restore your shoulders, elbows, scaly skins back to their soft and supple former selves, making it in our books a pre-date essential. Next we've got an eye mask by Nip and Fab, and this is no needle eye fix mask, and it's targeted eye goggle mask to plump fine lines and wrinkles. I haven't tried this before, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go. I've tried a few Nip and Fab face masks before and they're really, really lovely. This is full size, and to buy this it'll cost you £6. This eye mask is rich in hyaluronic acid, which hydrates, plumps up and irons out wrinkles around your eye contour. Meanwhile, its unique hydrogel texture depuffs, cools and relaxes you. Perfect for setting pre-date nerves. Look at this as a temporary needle-free fix for fine lines and puffiness. Next we've got a product by Crabtree and Evelyn. This is Evelyn Rose. I can't say it. Soft touch face foam. And we've got 15 mils here. I've tried their hand creams, and their hand creams are lovely, really, really lovely, but I don't think I've ever tried any of their other products. I don't know. It's a gel. It's a clear, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that. It's a clear gel. It's a face foam, so is it a cleanser? Yeah, it is. It says, smooth over wet face and neck, gently massage to a foam, rinse with warm water. There. Oh, there. Oh. I can see it foaming up now. Does it smell a rose? Yes. Smells a rose. I just don't like it. So this is a travel size, and to buy it at this size it'll cost you £4. It says this gel to foam cleanser is petal soft, super hydrating, gentle yet effective, and has a scrumptious delicate scent. It will leave your skin seriously soft to touch and smelling edible. Cue it being the perfect product for a pre-date cleanse. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the products inside the February edition of Roccabox. There's 5 products and a added bonus of this gorgeous lemonade. So the cost of the box is £10 and then £3.95 shipping. The value of the products comes in at just under £50, about £47–48. So besides the extra bonus product, we have got a body butter, we've got a full-size eye mask, we've got a full-size perfume, we've got a travel size a face cleanser, and we've got a full-size plumping lipstick there. I think when I first saw it, I thought, oh, everything seems to be really small. Doesn't seem like we've got a lot of products this month, but obviously we've got 6, as mainly focused on this drink. I'm really excited to give this eye mask a go. I really like their masks, as I said. So yeah, I can't wait to give that a go. The Project Lip, I'm going to try it. But without any lipstick on underneath, where you will see me trying it on in the video. But it is tingly. It reminds me of the Too Faced, you know, the Extreme Injection lipstick. I can't remember what it's called now. Yeah, that. And I remember with that lipstick, I actually put some on my hand, and about 10 minutes later, it came up all bright red and it stayed there for a long time. So it's obviously, you know, to get your lips, to get your skin tingling then, isn't it? To make them look full. But yeah, we got a face foam, which is okay. It doesn't really excite me that much, in all honesty. Rose scent is not my favourite scent, but I do like this perfume. I do like it. It's an unusual type of scent. I think it's lacking something. Not necessarily the products, because I do think for a pamper night, you know, you've got everything here for a pamper night, haven't you? But there's just something and I can't put my finger on it. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you already received your box, or are you watching this wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.